lovely people, Couponer Crystal here with the Walmart Ibotta Haul, guys. This week I did get a midweek money maker. I have to do 15 rebates for $1, which is terrible. I didn't do it last week, so that's perhaps the reason why I got the same again. All right, so let's go in the store and let's see what deals I can find. All right, lovely people, let's jump into the haul. The first product I decided to get was on the V8 Splash. This is a product that I buy anyway. This is the Mango Peach. It was priced $1.84 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.84 in store. There is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.34 for the V8 Splash Juice. Great deal. Next rebate, guys, was on the Snuggle Exhilarations. This is the type with the pour spout. It was priced $5.97 in my Walmart. I did not have a paper coupon, so I had to pay $5.97 in store. But there is a $3 Ibotta rebate, and there is a $1.50 coming back from the coupons.com app. Make sure that you clip it in the coupons.com app before you purchase it if you do not have the paper coupons. That made the final cost be $1.47 for this large bottle of Snuggle. Great deal. Next deal I decided to do, guys, was on the Snuggle Exhilarations. This is the 58 load. It was priced $3.97 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $3.97 in store. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.97. And this one smells really good. Lavender and vanilla. Next rebate, guys, was on the Snuggle Super Care. The Snuggle Super Care was priced $3.97 in my Walmart. No paper coupon. So I had to pay $3.97 in store, $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.97. And I'm getting Snuggle wasted. Next rebate, guys, was on the Carbona Stain Devils. I tell you guys, you must try this product. There are so many different ones that it removes stains for, and this stuff works. Okay, we have white bed linens on our bed, white blanket, white coverlet, everything's white. And we were eating chocolate in the bed, and we got a little bit of chocolate on one of the blankets, and I just put a little bit on there, wiped it right off. Okay, because they have them for different ones. This one is for rust and perspiration, but they have it for chocolate, blood, ink. I've used it for so many things, oil, grease. They have different ones. I declare you need to try this. Okay. $2.28 for the Carbona Stain Devils. No coupon, so I had to pay $2.28 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.28 for the little Stain Devil. Next is the Snuggle Exhilarations. Now this is a 56 count, guys. This little tub, pretty good size product. This one was priced $6.97 in my Walmart. Now, didn't have a paper coupon, guys. I didn't get them in my area. I don't know what the deal was. I've gotten Snuggle coupons before, so I don't know what the deal was. But anyway, I had to pay $6.97 in store. There is a $3 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $3.97 for the 56 count of the boosters, the Snuggle boosters. Now, the next thing I decided to get, guys, was on the Snuggle Super Care. This is the 105 sheets. These were priced $3.97. No coupon did I have, so I paid $3.97 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost $2.97. Now, the $1.50 coupons.com paper coupon that I printed off the website that I did have, I thought it was going to attach to this, but it didn't, guys. Surprisingly enough, it actually attached to this product, which wasn't even the right count. So go figure that. So anyway, this one is the Snuggle Exhilarations. This is actually the 70 count. Okay, so it was priced $2.97 in my store. The $1.50 printable coupon actually attached to this. So it made my cost in store be $1.47. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 47 cents for these dryer sheets. Still an amazing deal, okay? Next rebate was the Snuggle Exhilarations, some more scent boosters, but this time it's a 26 count, okay? 26 count in the bag, and this one smells really good. This is the Island Hibiscus and Rain Flower, okay? $3.97 in my Walmart, no coupon, so I paid $3.97 in store. There's a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.97. I got quite a bit of Snuggle products. I am officially Snuggle wasted, okay? Next rebate, guys, was on the Ajax dishwashing liquid. This is the 28 ounce. It was priced $1.67 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $1.67 in store. There is a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.42 for the Ajax dishwashing liquid. Next rebate was the soft soap hand soap. Antibacterial is what I got this time. It was priced $1.98 in my Walmart. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.98 in store. There is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.48 for the soft soap. Next Ibotta rebate, guys, was on the pine salts. 60-ounce bottles, pretty big. These were priced $3.78 in my Walmart. I did purchase two for a total of $7.56 because I wanted to use a $1 off of two coupon that was in the 328 Smart Source, dropping my cost in store to $6.56. There is 75 cents Ibotta rebates coming back for the 2, 1 and 1, making $1.50 back, making the final cost $5.06. For the 2, I'm pretty good with that because they are 60-ounce bottles, pretty good sized bottles. I did not have 40-ounce bottles in my Walmart, okay? Next rebate I decided to do was on the Fruit-tella. They brought my little gummies back. My little Fruit-tella gummies are priced $2.28 in my Walmart. No coupon did I have, so I had to pay $2.28 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.28 for the Fruit-tella gummies. These are so good on the candy aisle. Next Ibotta rebate I did was on the M&M's messages, okay? But these are not the messages, but it's working on these. These are just the 88-cent bags that you get at the register when you check out. So these were $1.76 for the 2. For that rebate, you must purchase 2. I used a 50 cents coupons.com coupon off of 2 printable, dropping my cost in store to $1.26. It gave me back 50 cents from Ibotta for purchasing the 2. Plus, I had a 10-cent any candy rebate, dropping my cost even more to a final cost of 66 cents. For the 2 bags of peanut M&Ms. Yes, these are going in the candy drawer. I have a drawer in my kitchen that houses snacks like granola bars and candy, and it's a snack drawer, okay? And this is going in there too. The Rice Krispie Treats bar. Rice Krispie Treats bar is $1.18 in my Walmart. This is found at the register as well. No coupon did I have, so I had to pay $1.18 in store, but there is a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 93 cents for the Rice Krispie Treats bar. And I love Rice Krispie Treats, so yeah, going in the drawer. Next rebate I did was on the Palmer's. This is the Palmer's coconut oil formula moisture boost grow treatment. This is a hair product, okay? It's in the section with the natural hair products is where you can find it. Price $3.88 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.88 in store. There is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.88. Not too bad, not too bad. Now, the next 2 things that I did were not Ibotta rebates, but they were good deals nonetheless. I decided to get was the Suave Men's 2-in-1 shampoo. It was priced $1.98 in my Walmart. We do have a $1.50 coupon out of the 328 save insert. Drop the cost in store to only 48 cents. Scan your receipt to fetch rewards. You will get back $1.50. 25 cents in points. That is a great deal, guys. So it made it be absolutely free and a 57 cents money maker. Good deal. The last product I decided to get was the 9 Elements dish soap. Everybody has been posting this for Target. However, I'm unable to find it in Target, so I just use my coupons at Walmart. So this product is a dish soap by 9 Elements. It's priced $3.94 in my Walmart. I used that $3 P&G coupon, making the cost in store be only 94 cents. I don't think that's bad at all because it's a pretty good sized bottle, and I throw this thing in a bundle. Okay. Let's see what it smells like. Yeah. It's going in a bundle. Yeah. Okay, so it is a vinegar powered to clean and degrease residue. Okay, it's lemon scented. I do like lemon scented dish soaps, guys. All right, now let's go over the totals, guys. Total of everything was $62.14. I did divide my products up into 2 transactions. One reason was because I had that Snuggle paper coupon for $1.50 off that I printed from coupons.com. And I also was getting back $1.50 from the app for coupons.com. So I did not want those 2 things to be on the same receipt. Okay, so $7.50 in paper coupons is what I used in store, dropped my cost to $54.64. I redeemed 2 $5 shop kit gift cards, 5 on one transaction, 5 on the other, dropped my cost even lower. Then I got back $21.70 from Ibotta for the rebates. Yes, I did also get a $1 Snuggle bonus for purchasing the Snuggle products, so I got $1 back for that. I also accomplished my midweek money maker. I had to do 15 rebates for a darn dollar. So I did get that. I accomplished that. I was okay with it. I didn't accomplish my midweek money maker from last week, so they decided to give me the exact same thing. It is what it is. Next thing I got was $1.05 back from Fetch, and $1.50 is what I'm expecting back from coupons.com, making the final cost $18.39 for the 20 items. I don't think that's too shabby. That's like 92 cents per item, which is amazing considering all this laundry type products that I did get that I can keep for myself or throw in a bundle. Okay, guys, so that is it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hopefully it will give you some ideas that will help your shopping trip be easier when you go to do your rebates. Make sure that you get the Google document that is linked in the description box of this video. And a shout out to all the coupon crew, my loyal, lovely people that watch my videos. I appreciate you guys so very much. And a big shout out to all the new lovely people that hit that subscribe button and has hit the bell for notifications. I am so glad you're here and you're taking your couponing to a whole nother level. All right, guys, remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.